Here at Dish Network, our #1 goal is our customers. We have an acronym we call CPAW, which stands for Curiosity, Pride, Adventure, and Winning. All of our employees are trained to that standard. Our customers are our #1 concern. We just received the J.D. Power Award for 2 years in a row now at #1 in customer satisfaction in the pay TV industry in all 6 categories. Here in the receiving area, it's a very labor-intense process. We needed to be able to take that labor and put it to a more value-added process. So we went out to AEC seeking some automation in the receiving department to where we could take that labor and put it somewhere else. By doing that, we found the Modsort, which allows us to make an automatic scan system now, and that where we used to have people that hand scan this product. So that allows us to move these people into a more value-added process, and it saves the company money, and by doing that, we can also save our customers money.
The system we replaced was several gravity conveyors in a straight line. It was a very manual process requiring operators to push packages for sorting and scanning.
At System Class, it's extremely important that our customers are successful. We work hand in hand with Dish Network and Advanced Equipment throughout the design, layout, and installation of the project. We were there from beginning to the end.
We looked at this and we found that we could improve our overall process by 25% in efficiency.
So originally, Dish reached out to us to provide a turnkey material handling solution for them. Some of the challenges we faced were a very short integration window, very tight space constraints, and very small and unstable packages. We had to have the old system torn out on Friday, the new system back up running on Monday. We were able to easily integrate the Modsort unit into our 24-volt conveyor solution. The other advantage of the Modsort unit is we were able to accept and transfer various product sizes onto and off of the belt. The Modsort unit has a very tight pitch, which allowed us to do that seamlessly. We were also able to edge align products through the scanner to provide a more reliable scanning solution.
Whenever making changes to an existing facilities process, minimizing downtime and safety is critical. Dish Network was no different. Our existing conveyor was built on a 24-volt DC platform, so knowing we could utilize the 24-volt DC architecture of the System Class Modsort and without the additional guarding, safety guarding that would go around it was definitely beneficial to us. Since 1960, we've been providing proven solutions within the Carolinas and beyond. Our business model allows our material handling specialists to be involved in the project from the beginning all the way to the end, or as we like to say, from cradle to grave. It's important for an advanced equipment company to provide a positive customer experience. So it's critical to select a supplier that we can trust, like System Class and their Modsort transfer and divert station when working with our customers.
The System Class Modsort unit is truly a unique divert and transfer station, capable of handling multiple size packages.
The Modsort unit for us was very easy to integrate into our system. Each unit has its own Ethernet interface back to our control system. We were able to quickly and easily change belt speeds for not only in-feed and transfers, but also monitor all the digital I/O from the unit. Both the in-feed divert sensors and divert sensors were able to quickly and easily be changed and really saved us time during our integration schedule.
The Modsort belts are driven using MDR technology. The entire unit is safe, quiet, and extremely energy efficient.
Okay, now that the project's completed, the Modsort did what we hope it would do, and it also helped us in our safety aspect. And what I mean by that is now our employees don't have to handle packages. The Modsort sends the packaging down the correct line it needs to go to. So the Modsort has been a great asset for our company.